In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to Google Drive. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to ensure that we're signed into our Claude account. Once that's done, we're going to go to the bottom of the page and click on our display icon. And then we're going to click on settings from here. Now, in the dialog box under search, we can either search for connectors or we can go to the left sidebar and under customize, we can click on connectors from there. Here you can see Google Drive, but if you don't have it here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on add and you're going to go to browse connectors, and here you're going to type you search for Google Drive, and once you find it, you're going to click on the plus sign next to the tab, and it's going to ask you to authenticate yourself. So let's go ahead and authenticate, and we're going to continue. We're going to give it the permissions and what we want it to access, and so it sees what Claude. So we're going to select all and then we're going to click on continue. Now it's going to redirect back to Claude, and once we check on connectors, you should see there Google Drive with a check mark status. Now that's how to connect Google Drive to Claude. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.